Hello everyone, welcome to Huawei Cloud Tech Talk. I'm Ali Batuhan Karaçoban. Today we'll take a look at how TaurusDB serverless automatically adjusts resources to handle dynamic workloads that can change instantly. The stability and reliability of databases are crucial for enterprise IT systems. If a database is not stable, it will affect the entire system. To ensure smooth database operations during peak hours, users typically configure various parameters and redundant resources, such as extra compute, memory, and storage. Now, this creates a problem. How can resources be balanced during peak and off-peak periods if companies' workloads fluctuate significantly? Consider two real-world scenarios. Company A in internet education and training sector experiences a workload spikes tied to the course schedules. Company B, in traditional work attendance management, sees most of its traffic concentrated in specific hours, which less than 5% of the traffic occurring during other parts of the day. In both these scenarios, workloads fluctuate greatly. During peak hours, resources may be overrun during off-peak hours. Most resources remain idle, resulting in significant waste. With Huawei Cloud TaurusDB, we have two ways to address the issue. One is with reserved resources, the other is going with serverless. A serverless deployment mode is great for applications with dynamic workloads. If your application experiences significant peaks and valleys in workloads, like those in two companies I described just now, then serverless is a great fit. TaurusDB's serverless instances automatically adjusts database resources based on workload demands, enabling elastic scaling within seconds. They also support Application Lossless and Transparent, which we call ALT, based on transaction transfer to the other compute node with zero downtime. Enterprises pay only for the resources they use, and there is no need for manual configuration. This helps reduce the cost and improve operations efficiency. TaurusDB's serverless instance supports scale up, vertical scaling, within seconds, and scale out, horizontal scaling, within minutes. In our latest release, we refined the granularity of serverless scaling with 1 TCU to 0.5 TCU. Customers can customize increments for more precise scaling and even better resource utilization. During the scaling process, customers are primarily concerned with the potential impacts on existing applications. To address this, we have made two technical optimizations. First, we have enhanced the scalability of the buffer pool at the kernel level, enabling faster scaling from seconds to just fractions of seconds. Second, as applications continuously access databases, ensuring uninterrupted connections and transactions continuity is essential. TaurusDB provides ALT, which I talked before, which works with the database proxy and kernel to maintain persistent connections and guarantees zero transaction loss. Consequently, the scaling process is more stable. How has Company B performed after using the serverless mode? By automatically adding compute nodes during peak hours and removing compute nodes during off-peak hours, their attendance system costs have decreased 74%. TaurusDB serverless mode is ideal for workloads with peaks and troughs. It has lots of benefits. First, it maximizes the resource utilization and reduce costs. Second, it can adapt to workload changes and reduce the business risks. But most important of all, it offers automated operational improvements. Companies don't need to worry about capacity planning and other details.